What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to sync your vibration with your ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to sync your ringtone with your vibrating on your phone on the S25, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and then you want to look for sound and vibration, and from there you want to hit sound and vibration. From there you want to scroll down and you want to look for call vibration, and then you want to hit call vibration, and then from there what you want to do is sync with ringtone. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to sync the ringtone with call vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.